Guys, welcome back to my point of view. Once again, I don't really have a plan for Alright, round two. Come on. Alright, we're gonna open it from the inside. I thought I fixed it, but I just snapped one of the pulleys when I was here earlier. So, there's that. I get fucked. There we go. All right. Well, there it is. All right. So, as everybody knows, winter is definitely here. So, Sporty is fuel stabilized. She's obviously on the tender. And we're not riding this bitch anymore. Well, unless we get like a really nice day. But even then, I probably shouldn't ride it because it's actually not insured right now. So hopefully we don't get a really nice day for the rest of the year, and then I can insure it just for next year instead of, you know, eating December. But whatever. Point is, the Pitter is the star of the show now, but not really much of a star at the moment. She needs the fender. I mean, I don't imagine that's too tough of a job, but I actually don't know how to do it yet, so I gotta Google that one or YouTube it. I mean, obviously, I can take these out, or I could just do it right now, figure it out. But, you know, I don't think you guys want to see me try to figure this out little by little. So, I'll get this done, and we'll go from there. Alright, so, a little progress. Took out all these bolts right here, basically all from under here, and then two from the sides right here on these plastics. And then obviously you pop these just right out of those little fucking grommet covers, however you want to call them. And then I think I need to take the battery out too. And obviously I got 1, 2, 3 bolts right there, and then this sucker should be able to pop off. I might have to undo the exhaust, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and we're gonna see. Alright, so that bolt, this bolt right here, holding this thing in, holding the battery in. Then I think once I get the battery out, it should be pretty easy to do the rest of it. Right, but oh, caught. There we go. This thing, I want to say that pops out straight up. Put that bolt away. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I didn't plan that obviously, but it happened. So got the battery out. I think we're gonna end up just taking that bitch inside. Was able to kind of like undo all these connections and realize that this bracket is riveted on. I'll have a rivet gun, whatever. When I put the other one on, this will just be nice and tucked in that hole. The plastics will cover it. I think it should be fine. My biggest concern right now is remembering where the connections were so that I don't fuck that up. But honestly, I don't think you can fuck it up. It's like pretty, you know, everything kind of fits into each other. Alright, we got that whole shindiggle out. Now, obviously, I think I'm gonna have to drop the muffler. No, that wouldn't even give me the clearance right there anyways, would it? Probably would. Whoa. What is this? One of these? Yes, it is. I know I said that was it, but you know, now it's it. Fender's in. Still need to put the bolts in and the battery. So it's not it yet, but you know, the camera kept dying on me, so I said I was gonna be it, but now I'm using the phone, so it's not it. So yeah, let's keep it rolling. Let me throw some bolts in. We'll get this thing all together, and then we're definitely ready for next week. Pitter wheelies. Trying pitter wheelies. Like, I know I'm not, you know, it's still gonna be. I haven't even been on this thing in months, so whatever. All right, there she is. Brand new Fender. I got a bloody knuckle. My pants are ripped. They were already ripped, but now they're ripped in the crotch. Nice. But we're ready for some pitter fun. So yeah, now that's it. Thanks for coming. Thanks for tuning in. You know, thanks for watching. All that good stuff. Have a good one. Bye bye.